I say about fish farming in new ways in Jhi. The famous lake in Manipur is named Loktak. This lake is very big. The water in it is very clean. There is greenery spread all around in it. While looking at the plain, I saw very large shells which could not be understood by seeing. What is this and why is it? Seeing this lake from the plain, its water did not matter what its shell were forcing them to think. All my attention was spent searching for it, seeing the lake, seeing it disappeared from my eyes. Even after coming home, his uniqueness made me think. Was one day I got a chance to see Loktak. Its distance from our house was completed in about 3 hours. Our driver drove us right to the lake. This lake is spread in a very big place. A corridor is built around it. There are restaurants on both sides of the corridor. By sitting in it, you can feel the supernatural bliss while looking at all the views around. It's for and many species of animal are found. At such a time, I saw a very small bird, which was equal to only one finger of me, which was surprising to the nature. Somewhere there are 14 feet wild bird and somewhere like a finger bird. Coming here, we also enjoyed walking to the boats as the road is built on the ground. In the same way, bamboo was paved on both sides here. Our boat returned on the same route. There were many animals in it. In the language, Lok means river or waterfall. Tak means end. The lake is a very large lake of clear water. It fulfills the needs of water and electricity. It has very large island. It is also has floating island apart from ordinary island, which will not be found in other places. This lake is about 35 kilometers long and 13 kilometers wide. Its circle enclosure is specially made. Fish are raised in the middle of their circles. I was enjoying watching these circles. This circle, which looked much smaller than the plane, they were very large to see from nearby. I could not see the whole circle in the right way, but was overwhelmed by the vastness of it. It is the only floating national park. The Shanghai is the only home to deer around this lake. The Shanghai is an endangered species of deer. Many places are named after it. I first thought about the meaning of Shanghai related to China. Therefore, did not pay much attention, but coming here understood its importance. Manipur is a water-rich city. No water will be found at any other place here. There is a lot of clean water everywhere.